Hi, it's Les Blythe from the Digital Catalyst, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access Google Gemini 3 for free. So you want Google's most powerful AI, Gemini 3, without the $20 monthly bill. Right, first the official way. Just head to gemini.google.com or open the app. Every free user now gets unlimited access to Gemini 3 Flash. It's the fastest model Google has. You also get a daily quota of Gemini 3 Pro and the new Thinking mode, no credit card required. Now, if you want higher limits for Gemini 3 Pro, use the secret portal Google AI Studio. Search for it, sign in, and you can use the Pro model with the full 1 million token context window for free. It's meant for developers, but anyone can use it to chat. Third, if you're a student, Google is currently giving away 12 months of Gemini Advanced for free. Verify your .edu email via Share ID on the Google One page. You'll get 2 terabytes of storage and Gemini 3 Ultra features for an entire year. Okay, so that's it, the fastest way to get Gemini 3. Check the link in the description to start. Comment Pro if you got in and subscribe for more Gemini hacks.